Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a doodle based on winter and Christmas. We'll start by writing winter in the middle of the page. Next I'm making a cloud shape around it. You can make a rectangular shape, any other shape you like, it's totally your choice. Next I'm making another cloud just to double the smaller one. You might not double it or just make dots around it, it's your choice. Now next we are making a rectangular just above the cloud, not with straight lines, jagged lines. I'm making some presents over here. The first box is a cube. The second one is more or less a cylindrical shape. You can add more presents with different shapes. You can make a cone, you can make a cuboid. Next, I'm making a Christmas tree. You have to make a diagonal line, curve it and make a curvy pattern and follow it, and then make a straight line for the stem. And you can make some decorations on the Christmas tree. I have put some banners. Next I'm making a candy cane. Now what is the steps to make a candy cane? First you have to make a cane structure and then make lines the same way I have made them. We are going to make socks next. Stockings, we call them. We'll show that they are hanging from somewhere. And next we are going to make a bow, a circle, a triangle and two doubled lines. Next I'm making gloves. So we are going to make a curved structure for the thumb and a big curvy structure for the all four fingers. We'll make two gloves and then we are going to make a pattern on them. The pattern is totally your choice, but here I'm going with a simple pattern. Next I'm making a Christmas wreath in the background. We will make a curved structure and another curve inside it. I'm making a bow using the same method, this time a rectangle, two triangle structures, a line, double it and another line. We'll erase the extra lines. Now I'm giving it a texture of a Christmas wreath. You have to make a diagonal line, slightly tilted, then bring it back. Then another diagonal line, slightly tilted and then bring it back. We'll follow this pattern. I'm making some decorations. Here balls and candy canes. You can add more decorations. You can add a label saying Merry Christmas or winter, whatever you like. Next I'm making a gingerbread man. So a curve, two long curves for the hands and another two long curves for the legs. Two small circles for the eyes, small dots for the smile, a bow and some dots for the button. Next I'm making some leaves and some berries. These will be colored red and we'll make 3 candles. So 2 lines, we'll make a curve on top of them and another curve and then a small line going and a leaf shape to show the fire. We'll make 3 of them. Now we'll make this type of structure because I wanted to show that they are on a surface. we'll take the diagonal lines down. Next, I'm making a snowman. A circle, a curve shape and 2 doubled lines for the muffler. A bigger circle for the body and small dots for the buttons. Next, we are going to make a Christmas cap, carrot for the nose, dots for the eyes and the smile. Next, we are going to make hands which are made out of wood, and we'll put gloves on them using the same method as we made the previous gloves. Next, I'm making a small house which has snow on its roofs. We are making a sort of plate below it, the same way we made for the candles. Next, we are making snowflakes. So 1 line, another line, and 8 lines in total. They intersect at the same point. We'll make a curve between them. 2 curves, one small and one big, as you can see. Next, we are going to make inverted triangle patterns to give it the look of a snowflake. I'm making another one using the same method, and we are going to do coloring in the next video. Curves again and inverted triangles. Now I am making an icing type of shape over here. So I'm basically showing that snow is melting a little bit. Now I am making some small decorations in the background, some candy canes. You can make other things. You can make gingerbread mans. You can make more snowflakes. You can also make candy canes with bows. Now after this, I'm writing Christmas inside the wreath. We'll make a cloud around it again and then double it. Now after this, I'm outlining using my black permanent marker. You can use a sketch pen or a black pen, or you can directly make the doodle with black pen. And this is what it looks like.